Hi everybody, my name is Steve Smith, CEO of Combined Knowledge. Welcome to our latest announcement for our Training Plus product range. It's been a few months since our last announcement around our integration with learning management capabilities with direct links into LMS systems, as well as direct linking into SharePoint and Office 365 apps. You can obviously find more information on all of that in the comments here underneath the video, and also there's more information on our other YouTube videos already there that you can go and watch for more information. But our direct linking capability was just the start of our development around our Training Plus content, where we really wanted to extend the ability of Training Plus videos to be consumed not just by our customer base, but also by partners, ISVs, and anybody who's looking for up-to-date Office 365 training, and then being able to leverage it direct into the Office 365 space or the platforms that you're using for your user training, education, and your champions onboarding. So Training Plus is designed to be an on-demand digital training platform which is maintained by us. So our trainers who are out there delivering all the time are creating the training videos, roughly 3, 4, 5 minutes long, broken down across all of the apps. There's 180 hours of training now across all of Office 365, and it is designed to train your whole workforce and your champions program and keep everybody up to date. We maintain a single master set of videos that are then consumed through the app launcher, through SharePoint, through Teams, through Yammer. You can use direct links and embed codes wherever. The announcement today about the general availability of the rebranding capability, though, is an exciting step forward. What it means is that you can now apply any custom theme that you want to use onto our videos as they leave our system. So this will enable you to build a brand for your portal, for your theme of Office 365, your logos, and inject it anywhere. So here you can see an example of a learning management system where we've injected a few of our training modules into the LMS SCORM. And as I play one of these videos, in this example it's our standard Combined Knowledge branding, the Training Plus video itself is still the original one at the back end. But as it leaves the hosting platform, we apply those branded assets onto it. And so the direct links are specifically set up for this brand. And in our case, this is a Teams training video using the new private channels feature, and it's got Combined Knowledge branding on it. If I go back to another lesson on the same LMS platform, we can see a different video playing, but it's actually the same video at the back end for Teams private channels. So we haven't changed anything at the back end of the video. All we've done is change the branding asset as it leaves our system. And so this could be your company brand, it could be your business platform brand, whatever it needs to be. And you can see here that it's exactly the same training video, but with a totally different skinned theme behind the actual video playing. And this makes it a very powerful solution in terms of being able to customize and align your video training to your internal brand that you may be using for, say, a comms brand, etc., for the way that you want to do ways of working or digital transformation branding. And you can see here in Teams, there's a Teams channel with a tab using exactly the same video. So we're using the direct link capability into a tab in Teams with that Combined Knowledge brand. And within Teams, we can use embed links, we can Yammer and SharePoint, we can do very similar things. And here we can see another tab, this time using the Academy brand. And this is exactly the same video that we saw previously in the learning management system, but now playing in a Teams tab with a custom theme skin behind it. And just for good measure, we've obviously got our third one in there, which is our Llama Corp brand to prove the point that we can actually skin it to anything with the no drama llama piece behind the scenes. And it's been a long time that it's taken us to get this piece ready for the rebranding, but now that it's complete, it means that any of our 180 hours of our training videos can now literally be rebranded on the fly as it's delivered to your Office 365 environment, or your learning management platform, or your ISV third-party platform if you're using, say, a product that allows a new intranet or a portal design. And so even ISVs and product companies can use this. In fact, one of the things that we're going to be talking about with some announcements in the near future is such partnerships that we've been working on that are coming very soon. So we're looking forward to announcing that to everybody shortly. So I hope you found that interesting. We're really pleased with this new feature. If you'd like to know more, contact details are all being shown as I talk. and there's also links to the other videos in the comments section of the video. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do, and you'll get more announcements as we're releasing them soon. So thanks for listening. It's a great start to 2020, and looking forward to sharing more in the coming weeks of our new ventures. Thanks very much.